Nature is full of surprising partnerships. Have you ever seen a bee visiting a flower and wondered why it keeps coming back? Or why a clownfish hides inside a sea anemone? These relationships are called symbiosis. And today we are going to explore how living beings depend on each other in a fascinating ways. Symbiosis is when two different organisms live together in a close long term relationship. These relationships can be helpful, neutral, or even harmful. Symbiosis is essential for life on Earth. Without these relationships, many species wouldn't survive. Some get food, others get protection, and some even rely on symbiosis to reproduce. Symbiotic relationships come in different forms. Some benefit both partners, while others might harm one side. Let's take a quick look at the main types of symbiosis. Mutualism. In mutualism, both organisms benefit. A great example is bees and flowers. Bees get nectar for food, while flowers get pollinated, helping them reproduce. Commensalism. Here, one organism benefits and the other is unaffected. Barnacles on a whale are a perfect example. The barnacles get a free ride, but the whale doesn't gain or lose anything. Parasitism. This is where one benefits, but the other suffers. Think of ticks on a dog. Ticks feed on the dog's blood, but the dog is harmed in the process. Commensalism. In this case, one organism is harmed while the other isn't affected at all. An example is walnut trees releasing chemicals that prevent other plants from growing nearby. Competition. Competition happens when two species struggle for the same resources and both are negatively affected. For example, lions and hyenas. They compete for food, making survival harder for both. In the upcoming episodes, we'll explore these relationships in more detail with amazing examples from nature. Did you know that some parasites can control their host's mind? Stay tuned for our episode on parasitism to learn more. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and comment below. What's your favorite example of symbiosis?